Good morning, students. Welcome to the online lecture. In the last lecture, we have completed up to here. Okay, we have divided chocolate into half parts, right? So, moving further, many shapes from a half sheet. Okay, so what we have to do here? Take a piece of paper, cut the sheet into two equal triangles so that each triangle is equal to the half of the sheet. So what you have to do? First you have to take a paper, okay, a sheet of paper. Then cut the sheet or first draw two triangles of equal size. Okay. Or what can you do? You can fold the sheet, okay, from the middle portion and then just draw one triangle and then cut it out. So you will get two triangles of same size. Shade the two triangles with different color. Okay, as shown in figure. Draw different shape using this triangle. One such shape is shown in this figure. So, how can you now arrange these triangles? Here one method is shown. Another I am going to show you. See, this is the one method, right? Here you can feel the orange color and here the green one. This one. Okay, then which other shapes can be formed like this way? Then overlapping. So this type of different shape you can draw or you can make. Orange here also, and the green part will be this. Okay, so with the two triangles you can make different shapes. So today in your homework you have to make this two triangle first from the sheet of paper and then try to make as much as possible sheet with these two triangles. Moving further, many way to cut into half. Okay, so let's begin. I have made a triangle into two equal parts like this. Each part is half. Okay, here you can see that this boy has divided the rectangle in two parts by this line. Okay, we write it as 1 by 2, one part out of 2. You can check if these parts are equal. Try keeping one on the top of the other. Okay, so if you have to check that it is half or not exactly the half of total part, then you can just overlap it. Okay, try keeping one on the top of the other. So you will find that it is okay. In how many different ways can you cut a rectangle into half? Draw 5 different ways. Okay, here we have to cut this rectangle into 5 different ways. Okay, so let me show you first one. So we can easily cut this triangle by this way, right? This will be half part. Similarly this. Okay, what can be next possibility? You can cut it from this portion, right? So half. Now another way. Okay, then as this boy has cutted in this way. Then which method can be done like this way also. Okay, so you will get half part. Okay, so these are the different ways by which we can divide a triangle into two equal parts. Okay, can you check if they are equal or not? Okay, so for that what you have to do, you have to cut 5 pieces of rectangle from a sheet of paper. Then you have to cut those rectangles as shown in this figure, okay, as I have shown you. Then you can check that they are equal or not. Okay, now we have understood about cutting a shape into two parts, two equal parts, half. Now many ways to make a quarter, right? So I make four part like this, each part is a quarter. Okay, fourth part, okay, 1/4 part of anything is called quarter, and I can write it as a 1/4. It means one part out of four. Okay, so see here what he has done. This was full rectangle. Okay, then he divided into two parts with this line, with this line. Then he just divided this part into two parts again by using this line, right? And again on the other side like this way. So by this way he divided this rectangle into four parts. So now we have to divide it. Now it's our turn. In how many different ways can you cut a rectangle into four equal parts? See, the first one is this way. Okay, here we can write 1/4 part. Okay, if you wish you can do color also. Now another way is this way. Okay, these are 1/4 part. The another method is this. Okay, the next way is this. Okay, so you will get 1/4 part each. Now, okay, then the fourth one is the same. This. Okay, so we have divided a triangle into four parts in different ways. Okay, so here we end our lecture. In the next lecture, we will see the topic cutting the cake. Thank you.